Brushing twice a day, still getting cavities. You might be brushing too well, are actually all wrong. These 7 common mistakes could be silently ruining your smile. Stay with me till the end, especially listen to the 6th point. All these steps can literally save your enamel, which is the outer surface of the. Hello, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Nutri Smile. I have started these mini series Silent Smile Killers, in which this is the episode 3 of the habits which are silently ruining your smile. Your toothbrush could be your worst enemy in this case. Okay, so let's start. First, brushing too hard. Brushing too hard, it doesn't mean you are cleaning your teeth. It means damaging the enamel, which is the outer surface of the tooth, and receding the gums. Too hard brushing, you are not cleaning the utensils. So be gentle with your teeth, with your gums. If your gums bleed, your brush might be the bully for your mouth. Second, wrong technique. Brushing like this in a straight line is a very common mistake all of us are doing. You are not just brushing, you are just pushing the bacteria around into your gums. How to fix it? Brush in small circular motions and angle toward the gum line. Third, not brushing long enough. You need 2 full minutes to brush your teeth. 30 seconds for each part of your mouth. Top right 30 seconds, top left 30 seconds. Likewise, bottom right 30 seconds and bottom left 30 seconds. Fourth, skipping the gum line. Most plaque buildups require where your teeth meet your gums. If you are missing the edge, you are leaving the danger behind, my friend. Fifth, brushing right after eating. Brushing right after acidic foods like citrus or soda spreads acid into your teeth. These acids can cause the dental decay in your tooth. Wait at least 30 minutes or rinse your teeth first before brushing. Sixth, using an old toothbrush. Frayed bristles of the toothbrush don't clean. They just swipe around the bacteria. Replace your toothbrush in every 3 months. Your teeth deserve better. Ignoring your tongue. Your tongue may be the storehouse of bacteria. Skipping it is not a good option. It can cause bad breath and the decay. A quick brush keep your mouth. Brushing your teeth shouldn't break them. Now that you know the 7 silent mistakes, how many were you making? And down below. Also, episode 2 link is in the description. If you haven't watched it, please go and watch it. And if this video helped your smile even a little, give it a thumbs up, hit a subscribe button and the notification near to it. Join the Nutri Smile family. Because the secret of healthier smile starts with brushing smarter, not harder. See you guys in the next episode, which is about the market lies that there in the labels.